Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. So we recently got a pup and she can be pretty anxious. So I was on the hunt for ways to relieve her stress when I found this CozyVest dog anxiety vest, and we absolutely love it. So this vest is a 3-in-1, meaning it addresses 3 senses: touch, smell, and hearing. The pressure that the vest applies when I wrap it around her really helps to keep her calm. There's also an option to play music for your dog with this built-in speaker. And to add to it, it comes with lavender chamomile scent sticks that fit right in the vest. So overall, I have to say this vest is just great. Right away, my dog was comfortable with it. It's very easy to put on and she loves wearing it. The fabric is breathable and it doesn't get too hot. I really like using it when I bring her around new people because my dog is actually really afraid of humans. So this vest helps to calm her down. The vest really can be used in any situation where the dog can become stressed. My dog is 54 pounds and I went with the large size. The sizing chart I felt was right on target. So if you have a nervous pup, whatever the cause may be, I suggest checking out this CozyVest dog anxiety vest for some great stress relief for your pup. And that's our point of view.